Here we go. We got the 15 pounds sitting up there.
Huh?
Listen, we got the 15 pounds setting up, ready to go. Rachel, why don't you come around here to the back side of the pool? Levi, you sure you don't want to shoot it on this side of the pool? You're awful close.
I'm good.
Now, let me get my earmuffs on. Hey, you need some hearing protection, don't you? All right.
Get off of him. Hang on, Levi. Don't go yet.
Everybody red eye?
Rachel, you want to get back a little bit?
Talking to you.
Let her eat. I'm going to use a human shield. Where's my shield going?
I'll come back.
Oh, crap. I'm going to back up just a little bit. These people are crazy.